Hey guys, welcome back. Today video I'm going to talk to you about the system that every entrepreneur has to build in their day-to-day life in order to become more productive. The reason why I want to talk about this is because we are bombarded with a lot of things going on in our lives. Our family, our friends, sometimes ourselves, that laziness, that procrastination inside of all of us prevent us from progressing toward bettering ourselves, toward bettering our future, as well as the people around us. To prevent all that procrastination, laziness inside of all of us, as well as making yourself a much more productive, follow these simple steps. It's gonna help improve your productivities every single day. Okay? So as we all knows, in the morning when you wake up, most of us, not all of us, but most of us nowadays, we have what is called smartphone. The morning when you wake up, you start browsing your phone, you start, oh, this notification, oh, this email that I have to answer, oh, this picture that I have to like, maybe some girls, some guys, I don't know. But over the time that you're doing this, it becomes a habit. And when a habit is being formed, it surely and slowly create the future that your life will be. Imagine spending all your time on your phone, checking, liking people. And if you realize it, in the morning, a lot of us spend like, not like 15 minutes, but like hours, stay in bed, checking all those stuff. So I want you to avoid it because your life is so precious. Money, if you lose it, you can always make it back. But with time that you spend on social media, on checking those things without getting your mornings spiritually started, you will lose a lot of value and you're wasting your time. And as you know, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media sites like Twitter, they are designed to show you what you like the most. They want to show you your interest, the picture of that girl, the picture of that guy, and the information that you liked. And that's why you get addicted. And lately, I make the mistake before too. I watch a lot of like movie reviews. It's so addicting. I know. I was falling into that habit, but then I got a wake up call to if I were doing this, I would wasting a lot of my valuable time, and sooner or later, it's gonna be a bad habit that gonna affect my future. My phone, I'm not gonna put it next to where I can reach it in the morning. I set it all the way further out. Let's say my bed is right here. I would set my phone all the way here. Like somewhere that I have to wake up, walk to it, and get it. So what it does is create that inconvenience so that you won't be able to reach your phone. With that way, you can get up early. And by the time that you get up, try to make your bed. Make it look neat so that way after you grab your phone, you don't want to go back because you don't want to ruin all your effort of making that bed, you know? So that's a trick. That's one of the tricks to get your day started. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. When you wake up, take a deep breath, smile, and thankful for the life that you have wake up to, you know? Because a lot of people, they won't be able to wake up to see today. So make sure before you get out of your bed, thankful for the day, get out of your bed, make your bed right away so that when you grab your phone, the minute that you look back, oh, your bed is already made. You don't want to ruin that effort. Take a cold shower. For me, I have been taking cold shower for like 3 years straight, and the last 3 years has been the most productive in my life. I know I went a little extreme, but if you can stick to that, it's kind of reprogram your mind that doesn't matter how hard it is, doesn't matter how cold it is, I will still go through that hardship to get my day started and to wake me up. And another thing that I found to be really interesting is that I don't really need coffee. Back then, like before 3 years ago, I was needing coffee to get my day started and to operate. But what a cold shower does is that it wake up your entire body, and when it hit your brain, your head right here with cold shower, your body start to come into that reactive mode. It react. It will start to get all your body, all your blood starting to running more faster, circulating faster, so that your body can adjust the temperature to fight against the coldness. Your body gonna warm up. It's similar like when you warming up at the gym, your body just to start like burning more, so that it can adapt to the environment. So with that, it's gonna help you to make the best out of your morning spiritually. Throughout the day, for us entrepreneur, we don't have somebody to hold us accountable. So we have to hold ourselves accountable with the list of a bunch of other stuff that we have to take care of. Let me show you my list. It's a lot. It's a lot right here. You see all these checklists right here. This is what an entrepreneur, we have to keep ourselves accountable because we don't have a syllabus. We don't have a teacher that holds ourselves accountable. So I learned the system from my mentor. I invest a lot into like self-investment. And it's just that we have to create a syllabus for ourselves, meaning create the system that we need to do, as well as the to-do list that we need to take care of for today as well as tomorrow and so on, you know? So by creating this list and also by putting in the time that you want to accomplish that task, it's just like a deadline. When you are doing your homework, a deadline. So every single checkbox here, I have a deadline for it. And by having a deadline, you're more aware of spending your time to kind of get that project done, to get that task done on time, you know? Because what we are using is what is called is that the subconscious mind that we have been using throughout our childhood, throughout our teenage age, where we have homework, we have deadline, so that we have to accomplish it. Another tip, countdown will work. Imagine when you were in a race, when you were in that test, people like 3, 2, 1, start. So 3, 2, 1, you go run. 3, 2, 1, you go start doing your homework. 3, 2, 1, you are doing your test. Same psychology. It is a habit. Whenever we see a countdown, we tend to do something. So use that countdown system to start. Let's say you're in your bed. Let's say you're in your comfy chair like this. You're like, oh, I want to start doing something. I'm too lazy. So what you gonna do? 3, I have to do it. It's gonna be a deadline coming soon. And 3, 2, 1, get it started right away. That is, I think, is one of the most helpful tips that I could give it to you, so that you can avoid more procrastination, avoid being lazy. And also, the fourth tip is whenever you feel like your body gets so comfy, where it's in a relaxing state. So make sure that when you feel like lazy, for me, whenever I feel like lazy, I stand up, I walk around like this. I stand up and I walk around like this, or I can do like this, you know, to get your body started, to get the blood circulation going through around. Also your brain, you inhale more oxygen into your brain, so you get your body started into an active mode rather than a relaxing mode. The fifth tip would be listen to focus music and avoid distraction. There would be people around you that will try to distract you, so you may have to get into your own zone. Get a space where you know that nobody gonna distract you, so that you can listen to focus music. If I were you, I would go on YouTube, search for focus music. Focus music, put it in your headphone, and focus on doing your work. So try to avoid like public places. Listen to focus music so that you can start working. And I hope those tips you can find to be helpful for you. And if you have any amazing tips that you think it could help prevent procrastination, please feel free to share it with us. I know there's a lot of us out there that we're trying to find all these helpful tips. So if you can, comment down below that a certain tips or a certain system have worked hard that have helped you to prevent procrastination. Please do that so that way you can help yourself.
I found this on the web for tips or system pathway hard that have helped you.
Sorry. So it kind of help you as well as other people avoid procrastination so that we can all become so productive. And also, if you like this video, if you like the tips, or just try it. Just try it, doesn't hurt you at all. Just try those tips, and if it's helpful, please feel free to share with other people. Share this video with your friends, share this video with your siblings, so you can help them be into a productive state. So that way, we all gonna be so successful because we are productive to get whatever we want in life, you know? And if you like this video, hey, please like this video, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It would help to grow my channel a lot. And I'm really thankful to have you in this journey. And it's gonna help me a lot to reach out to more people with your help, with your likes, and with your comments. Thank you so much. Have an amazing weekend, and hope next week gonna be really productive and amazing for you. Another week, another dollar. Let's get it. Let's get this money. You like the shirt? It's from my friend. Shout out to my friend for making this custom shirt. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. See you in the next video. Peace.